Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem many of us have encountered while working or studying on our computers. The issue at hand involves how to prevent your screen from automatically turning off while you're actively using the device. It can be quite frustrating when you're in the middle of something important and the screen keeps shutting off on you. But fret not, as we have a simple solution to this pesky problem. Let's talk about the solution now. To address this screen timeout problem on your computer, all you need to do is adjust the power settings. By modifying the power plan settings on your device, you can extend the time it takes for the screen to turn off due to inactivity. Simply navigate to the control panel, access the power options, and customize the settings to ensure that your screen stays awake for as long as you need it to. This straightforward solution will help you stay productive without any interruptions. Now that you know how to tackle the screen timeout issue with a quick settings tweak, you can bid farewell to those frustrating moments of the screen going dark unexpectedly. Remember, a small adjustment in the power settings can make a big difference in your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing.